The idea here is a massive burst of energy from the sun called a solar storm. And there's a couple different ways these things can happen. One of them involves basically a magnetic field. And what ultimately happens is a whole burst of light can shoot out, causing some problems. The even bigger ones that are solar storms, what they can do is even more. In addition to a burst of light, they can send out this massive junk, basically sun plasma, which can affect a lot of things. What can it affect? Well, first of all, think about what our world is doing today. We use satellites for almost everything. Our medical technology is linked to this. Our navigation systems for our airlines are connected to this. Communication systems, emergency communication systems, TV, internet, so many things use these satellites. If they're damaged, that can cause them some massive economic damage. As Kira was just saying, some experts saying 20 times beyond what Katrina faces, but it doesn't end there. If there were an electromagnetic problem, a real burst from the sun, that can affect us all the way down here on Earth. It can actually knock out some electric grids, as some smaller storms have done in the past. So what scientists are doing today is talking about what can be changed to watch out for this. Let's go to this video. I want you to see this. This is from April, and as we're looking at this, I want to tell you the exact words that NASA put along with this. From April 19, 2010, this was an observation of one of the most massive eruptions in years. They said Earth was not in the line of fire this time. That's their words, not in the line of fire this time. So what are the stakes here? Let's come back to my screen. I want you to see some information. First of all, this is a quote that I have for you from a NASA official here who is the head of the heliophysics department, watches out for the sun. The sun is waking up, he says, from a deep slumber. Richard Fisher, take a look at this now here. The cost could reach $2 trillion in 1 year if there were one of these huge storms. This is according to a National Science Foundation study funded by NASA, and that study is the one saying the economic impact in that sense could be 20 times greater than what happened on Hurricane Katrina.